Well, blow my bloody socks off. I have only just found out how to answer people's comments. I've been on here 8 years. And I didn't know that you only had to go to community. Let me just go to community. Click community fee. And you go to comments. You see the comments there. And all the people that have put up. See, comments. And all the comments that people have put up. No matter what the video was. See all the different videos. And all your comments are there. So I am trying, ladies and gents. Boys and girls. I'm the one putting a mark there. And if it needs an answer, then I'm giving you an answer. I am trying to make sure that I answer as many as possible. But only, because I don't want to be sat here all night, every night. I'm doing it on those that need an answer, that I think need an answer. Otherwise, yes, I am reading all comments and putting a thumbs up. But I didn't know. I've just found out how to do that. I've been going from video to try 5,000 videos plus to try and answer as many as possible. At least put a thumbs up. So I am so sorry, but I will try every day to come on and make sure that I either give you a thumbs up or I give you an answer. But I didn't know how to do that. Now, I got to go through something with you. Somebody said to me, go to my dashboard. Here's my dashboard up here. And here's my channel. Now, if you go on to, I'm going to go on to it, my homepage. This is, I think this is what you lot see. The tutorial that I've just edited and put up, this was the flower from it. I don't know if you can see this. And I used it as my screenshot up there. Now, I have 4,401 subscribers. On there, we have home, videos, playlists, community, channels, and about. Now, if you go into the about one, which is here, on there is a description of who we are. It's had 25,350,095 views. I joined on my eldest son's birthday, the 11th of February 2010. We have another channel here, Lucky and Joey, with some videos on there. And this is my channel. This is where you can read all about us. If you want to contact me for business purposes, like if you want to make a personal order, you can do the email there. Tells you I'm located in the UK. These are all the links that I have. This is to the shop. Now let me just test it to make sure it works. And I've called it the Lace Trim Store. Let me just test it. There you go. It's taken me to the shop. That's our shop. You can go and shop from there. Facebook. Yeah, you can come and join me on Facebook. Now, if you haven't joined, or here, where are we? Here on this button. There's the shop on there as well. But there's my page and the shop page as well. I have 2 pages on there, plus others. Now this one, when you click on that one there, or when I see that one, and you're all listed here. Now I don't know who you are. If you send me a message and tell me that you want me to click on yours, you know, tell me a little bit about yourself, then I will join you to my Facebook page. But otherwise, I very rarely join anybody. Because I don't know who you are. You could be any Tom, Dick and Harry as far as I'm concerned. You could be a mass murderer for all I know. So just send me you can send a private message without being joined. And then if I confirm who you are, I will click you on there. Okay? So I don't know who any of these people are. Some names I do recognise and I'll click them. If I know them from the store, if I know them from YouTube. So if I don't know you though, it's not because I don't want you to join, it's because I don't know who you are. Now on my Facebook page, you'll get to see all the kinds of things that I post. So all the links I've just posted, all the videos go up on here as well. So we'll click off of that. Now here, Freestyle Magazine, if you click on that, you'll end up going to my MagCloud. And we have a Think Outside the Box. This is a book. You can buy it online here. The printed copy is $14.80. To buy it digitally is $8. And to buy both is $22.80. Now, there's two books on there. You've this one, and the other one is it's got lots of templates. So we've got this one and a template book as well. So these links I'm showing you do work. Then I've got Pinterest. You can run along to Pinterest. And we've got categories, lots of them. The dogs are all on there. With 2019 videos, that's everything this year. I did start to do them like that's 2018. And we go right back with handmade, vintage, shabby chic, handmade ribbon creations, flower tutorials, more flower tutorials. That's 2010, that's 2011. Flower tutorial 2012, 2013, altered art 2010, altered art 2011. But what I'm saying is we're just testing the links and they do work. You can donate if you want to donate and you click on that, because we don't earn very much from the shop. I do the shop. It's not for me to earn a living. It's for me to be able to get items, and we get some unique items, sometimes some extremely rare items, and some, you know, lots of crafty things, so that you can craft, you can have something to alter, you can use something to alter it with something with. And so that's why the shop's there, and I get you as many laces as possible and try and charge a lot less than what you pay for in other shops, online or, you know, in public. So if you want to donate to help keep these videos going, and there are, like I say, 5,500 videos, then you could, you know, couple of dollars or whatever you can donate, and it's all up to you if you want to. You don't have to. It just says donate to Jennings Crafts Boutique, purpose to help continue with new videos. That's it. That's what my donation is all about. Donate button. Nobody has to. It's a voluntary thing. Now I do write children's books as well, and you've got there Rex You Naughty Boy, Bobby's Vacation, The Sign, and I've got, and that's me, little old me. I wish I looked like that now. So I'm going to put the rest of the books up there, but I have several books that I've written. Twitter, that's my Twitter account. I don't actually use it. Freestylecrafts Template, that's the other one from MagCloud. There's the template book. It makes all these gorgeous flowers. And then I do have a blog. Now I must put the food blog on there. I haven't got the food blog on there. So, yeah, but there is a blog there. So, channels. Just mine. And things I'm subscribed to. Community. Oh, there's a new design flower there. Playlists. Now, recent videos, like videos, best drummers of the world, favourite, shabby chic, making books, tutorials, best singers ever, reload to YouTube, handmade flowers, funny videos. You have to look at that funny videos, and you only find them there in this category. These are the 6 paid for videos. Out of the 5,500, only 6 are paid for. Because that is what keeps the videos coming. I have to buy the materials in order to do the as many crafts as I do. And for you to watch them for free, then I have to pay for the goods. So that I do charge for 6 videos, and it's only a few pence. It's nothing much. Holidays that I've had, stick pins, miniatures, steampunk, paintings and dress forms, altered dress forms and whatnot. Videos there. We have, let's have a look. I'm not sure if it tells you how many videos, but they're all the recent ones. And then, like I say, the homepage. You've also got links up here to the store, Facebook, Twitter, etc. So, yeah. Now, all I can say is, let me just try this now. If you click, let me go to my Creator Studio. Let me just, do I do it this way? I can't remember. You'll have to hang on, because I can't remember if I do it this way now. No. I think I'd have to be signed out and come in as somebody else, though. I can't remember. When you click on one of my videos, how can I show you? I can't remember how to do it. Let me go back to dashboard. If I'm going to... You do the same thing for my videos as what I'm going to show you to do to other people's. Right, this is a list of people's videos that come up, okay? So if I click on that one, I don't want to listen to you, Tucker. You can bugger off. Right. Now, where is it? Where's the little bell? You can subscribe here. Mine will come up the same and you can subscribe, but then you get a little bell at the side. Wait a minute. See if we can pick one that I'm not subscribed to then. Why is it not showing? And where's the little bell gone? What you've got is, you have the subscription thing here, and then at the side you have a little bell. Now, if you click the little bell, it should have two little dashes, one left and one right. That means you will get notification of every single video that I put out. Why is it not showing these on here? Ugh. See, no ever works for me. It don't. Go to this one. Oh, this is what I hate about this damn thing. Look, that's mine. Haha. I changed my Google page. Right, now, if I want to go on to somebody else's video, say I want to do that one. It won't do it on there. I'll find it. Oh, let me just find it. Oh, what's this? Oil painting. It's not doing it. Why not? Oh, I think I've got to go onto their page, haven't I? Well, that's their homepage. Let me just see. Oh, it's not showing you. Now, I don't know why. There is normally a button here, a little bell. It's not doing it up on there either. What about if I shorten this page? No. No, it's not doing it. All I can say is you get this subscribe button here and a little bell, and you click the bell, and then you will be taken, every time I load a picture, a video, you will get that video. That's all I can tell you, so you don't miss any of the videos that I put up. But remember, I can put 3-4 videos a day up. So if it annoys you, I'm sorry. Anyway, just wanted to explain that and hope that helps you all. I'm just looking at, look. Going in and all those that have not. I'm just making sure you can see that I've thumbed up everybody's after reading them. Alright, so I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I shall speak to you soon. Bye-bye for now.